Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making the phone the single control point. Put it on the new 4 GHz network and have the Wi-Fi password ready. Once done, make sure the Kasa switch has power and the Kasa app is updated and opened. You should see the switch tile in the app. Tap it now. Make sure the switch responds when you toggle it in the app so you know it's reachable before changing networks. Now you'll instruct the switch to join the new network. In the device's settings, choose Wi-Fi or network and tap Change Wi-Fi network. The app will guide you. Next, put the physical switch into setup mode by holding its button until the LED blinks. This lets the switch advertise itself. Then pick the new SSID shown by the app, enter the password, and wait. The app will show progress and confirm when the switch reconnects on the new network. Finish by verifying the switch appears online in the Kasa app and test control so you know commands travel over the new network. If the switch stays offline, power cycle the router and your phone, confirm the routers too. 4 GHz band is enabled, then repeat the change procedure. Many failures are band or password issues. If problems persist, reset the switch to factory and re-add it. Finally, check for firmware updates and rename the device for easy identification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.